When I realized it was time for a new spring wreath for my front door, instead of going shopping, I combed through tubs of old flowers that I had left over from projects I did before. Well, I was able to pull out some beautiful spring flowers, a couple of wreaths and ribbon, and I created my own beautiful door ornament. I made this one in the shape of an infinity sign, so I'm calling this my spring infinity wreath. Here's how I made it. Every piece I'm using for this project was leftovers from projects I worked on before, so it didn't cost me a thing, and all the pieces came from Dollar Tree. So I managed to pull out a few pretty flowers in the colors that I like, and these beautiful realistic flowers that I had from last Valentine. I also found a couple of natural colored willow wreath, decorative long sticks, burlap ribbon, and utility wire. And I'll be using a hot glue gun to help put this together. To make a nice large wreath for my door, I decided to put two wreaths together. When I overlap it in the middle, it makes it look like an infinity sign. So I decided to make an infinity sign wreath, but I'm going to hang it the long way. I'm using my utility wire and I'm going to thread it through the two pieces and tie those together so that it looks like this. Now I'm just going to cut those back wires and curl them in, and now I'm ready to decorate it. I'm going to start with the garden bouquet pieces I found at Dollar Tree around Valentine's, near the succulents. These were the most realistic pieces I've ever found at Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to decorate my flowers in sort of an S shape to hide where the two rings overlap to make it look like a continuous infinity symbol. And right now I'm just pushing the pieces into the wreath, but you can use hot glue if you have to. Now that's looking very pretty. I really love these flowers, and it's really starting to look like the infinity symbol. But I'm going to add some more colorful flowers to help match the orange, pinks, and violets that I already have on my porch. So I'm adding some light yellow sprays on each end, and I'm adding some bright yellow tulips and other flowers. I also added some dark and light colored lavender and a few orange cattails on each end. And for the final touch, since I have it, I'm going to add a little bit of purple and green hydrangea. Okay, I think that's more than enough flowers. Oh, and I had these long, thin decorative sticks, so I'm going to use this on a wreath just to make it a little more viney and give it a little more contrast and dimension and make it look more natural. I'm going to kind of weave some of these sticks in and around the wreath. And I'll do this on both wreaths. Now since I have some pink flowers outside, I'm going to use pink ribbon and burlap natural color ribbon for my bow, and I'm just going to figure out where I'm going to place it. I think I'm going to place it right up here, sort of in the middle towards the side. So I'm going to tie the two pieces together right here and just sort of tuck the bow slightly behind the flowers. I have a little nail at the top of my door, so I'm using a black wire to hang my wreath. I'm just going to twist it around the back of the wreath at the top. But you could use a wreath door hanger to do this. And this is what it looks like hanging on my door for spring. I ended up cutting the ribbon short and angling it towards the curve of the flowers. Well, I'm hoping this wreath will welcome in an infinite amount of happiness for spring and beyond. Guess what, everyone? I am working on a new project. Now you'll be able to pick up all my favorite crafting supplies and products used on this show with the one-click, easy shopping, and fast delivery convenience of Amazon. On my new Amazon shopping page, type in amazon.com/shop/yourhouseofhometv and pick up our Your House of Home metallic multi-surface acrylic paint. With 8 shimmering colors, you can mix millions of colors and paint on any surface, indoor or outdoor, to create endless home beauty. And while you're there, add to your cart our Book of Elegant Home Crafts Volume 1, full of projects for gardening, home decor, wedding, holidays, and paper plants and flower projects. Available here in paperback and ebook. See the information tab for the hardcover. Get this and all the supplies you need for your next project all in one place. I'll be working every day to add great products to make home crafting fast and easy for you. Follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat at Your House of Home and Your House of Home TV for daily home, food, and gardening tips.